Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Beige. If you are new here, welcome. Don't forget to leave a comment down below so I know that you stopped by. Today's video is going to be a tutorial on this wig that was sent to me from Sogoodhair. I'll have all of their information, the promo codes, and direct links down below in the description box. The wig that I received is in the style Nicole. Nicole is a kinky curly pixie cut human hair 13x4 lace front wig. This wig has 4 combs as well as an adjustable strap. The lace color is light brown and it was created using HD Swiss lace. If you're unfamiliar with Swiss lace, it is the thinnest on the market for the most seamless melted look, and it flawlessly blends into any skin tone. It can also be worn glueless. The HD wigs from Sogoodhair do come pre-plucked as well as lightly pre-bleached. And here's how Nicole looks straight out of the package and placed straight onto your head. I do think that this wig would look super cute in a twist out, a braid out, or a wash and go. However, I want to go for more of a cropped pixie haircut, and I am going to have to cut it a little bit shorter to get that style. So I am going to just show you guys how it looks when you first take it out of the package, and then I'm going to walk you through the things that I did to get the final look that I got. So let's get started. The first thing that I'm going to do is cut off the extra lace in the back. Of course, you can leave a little bit of lace in the back if you want to glue, gel, or tape it down. The next thing that I'm going to do is map out my haircut. Using my fingers, I'm just going to separate the shorter sections. So I want the sides of this wig to be short as well as the back. And I want to make sure that I have sideburns on the left and right sides of my face. And then the top and middle are going to be the longest. So it's going to mimic a TWA. I want to make sure that I have a lot of length and fullness at the top, and then I want to make sure that the back is tapered as well as the sides, and I think it's going to be super cute. Whether I do a wash and go, a twist out, a rod out, whatever I do, I feel like the haircut is the most important part to getting a really cute cropped pixie look. And I feel like with this length and style of wig, it's the perfect base for me to do this haircut. If the wig was longer and you're a beginner, it will be a little bit overwhelming, but the fact that the wig is already cut into the shape already is just a little bit longer. It gives me a clear vision of how I want the final look to come out. So I'm just going to take my time in sections and make sure that I am cutting this hair evenly. Because the back is the shortest, the middle and the top of the head is the longest, I want to make sure that when I'm cutting the back and it's fading into the middle and the top, that I'm cutting it upwards. And this is creating an angle, sort of like a diagonal line, and it's fading into that haircut. When I get to the top, I am trimming it, and I'm just making sure that it is even. So we are going to have something that is kind of reminiscent of a mohawk or a faux hawk. So if I did want to do a wash and go and like gel down the sides, it will be the cutest mohawk. But anywho, just to get started with the frontal portion of this wig, now that we got the perfect shape of our haircut, I'm just going to start doing the beige method of zigzag plucking and parting just to get rid of some of that extra density in the front to make sure that the front hairline is a little bit thinner. So I'm going to do this and I'll come right back. This wig reminds me so much of my natural hair when I did cut it into a TWA. The curl pattern in the front is so beautiful, and I feel like this would look super cute in a puff as well. I'm going to style this hair by using this Eco Styler cocktail cream. I'm basically going to take a small section of hair. I'm going to spray it with water, use my Denman brush and my cream cocktail by Eco Styler, and I'm applying that to the hair. Next, I'm going to grab some perm rods and basically just curl the hair in sections. After doing all of that work, I realized that I had even smaller, shorter red perm rods. So I'm going to take out the yellow ones in the back and I'm going to replace them with the red perm rods. I'm going to add some yellow. As the length goes longer, I am changing the color of perm rod. So red in the back, yellow, then blue, and then a combination of the peach-ish one as well as the white. And I feel like the different perm rod colors and the different curls make it look a lot more natural because we all have different curl patterns throughout our head. So the fact that some are smaller, some are larger, makes it look a lot more natural. I did end up allowing the wig to set overnight, and the next morning it's fully dry. I am taking some oil and I'm just going to separate the curls to add fullness. This is a 13 by 4 lace front wig, not a full lace wig. I wish that this wig was full lace, to be honest, because it would take this wig to a whole nother level. With it being so short, you are able to see some of the wefted tracks in the back. So if you do cut your hair into a shorter pixie like I did, make sure that you are doubling up on the perm rods and make sure that when you get to the middle and back portion of it, that you are putting way more perm rods than you may need, because that will help to hide some of the tracks. As you notice, the tracks are still showing in certain areas. So to trick the eye and to make the hair look much fuller, I'll be wearing 2 black wig caps. When I put the wig cap on, as you can see, you don't see the tracks as much because the black is basically hiding it. So you do have the option of also sewing the wig caps onto the actual wig, but when you do that, make sure you are not sewing it onto the frontal portion of the wig, because you want to make sure that that is the color of a scalp and not showing through as black. So only sew it to the part where the wefted tracks are. And here's the finished look. I did use Got2b Ultra Glue Gel to gel this wig down to my head. I'll have all of the information, the promo codes, and direct links to this wig down below in the description box. Let's chat about this wig down below in the comment section. As always, thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, don't forget to leave them down below in the comments. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and comment down below so I know that you stopped by, and I can't wait to see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.
Beige, yeah, that's right. It's beige,